Today, Johnny, my man, how are you?
Good, man.
Johnny, you know what we're doing today?
Spicy challenge.
Spicy challenge, right. The last time we attempted this, you got lucky and wound up with a cheesesteak instead. By the way, how was the vegan date?
It was all right.
Just all right?
Yeah.
We're not talking about it, are we?
No.
So the place we're going to, it's in Diamond Bar. As far as the challenge goes, if you can handle the spice like you say you can, I think this challenge isn't going to be hard for you. You got this?
Yeah.
May the force be with you, son. And Johnny, we trust.
I think it's some almond milk, dude.
Almond milk. All right. Whatever's going to help him get through this challenge, I'm a fan of. And I'll tell you guys more about this challenge as we get on the road. Do you want the yogurt too?
Yeah.
Strawberry work in your favor?
I'm going to go with the black cherry, actually.
No, we're good. I have high hopes for you, Johnny. You're kind of new to the channel still. You don't want to disappoint the fans, right? You're still character building here. Yeah. It's important. Don't let them down, Johnny. All right, let's do it. I think someone recently told me that Whataburger was bought by some company out in Chicago. I wonder if they're going to open them up everywhere now. All right, let me tell you a little bit about this challenge. This one's a little bit different than the other one. The place we're going to is called Blue Samurai Noodle Bistro. As far as I can tell, it's established in 2013 in Diamond Bar. The spicy noodle challenge we're doing, you gotta finish the whole bowl. I think it's a pound of ramen. You have 30 minutes to eat this thing. It's gonna cost about $22. If you complete it, you get your meal for free, you get a t-shirt, and you get your photo on the Wall of Fame. That's it. I did search the internet looking for people that completed this, and it's brutal, I'm not gonna lie. It looks like a brutal challenge. I've yet to see Johnny even attempt a food challenge, let alone a spicy challenge. He seems confident, and that's what I'm gonna go with, man. Johnny's my boy. He thinks he can do it. I'm behind him. All right, we got about 45 minutes to get there. Place closes at 3, which puts us there at 2:30. You have 30 minutes to complete the challenge, which puts us right on time, hopefully. So if we're going all the way Diamond Bar for this challenge and we get turned away again from a ramen place, I'm really gonna be pissed. I'm gonna write off ramen for the rest of my life. Today I'm riding the 2008 GS6R 750, and I love it. Johnny over there, he's on a Yamaha FC09. He loves that. I like mine better though. I think his is faster. Mine's still better. Quick channel update. Want to remind you guys that Club and I and some other friends will be in Columbus, Ohio for the 2019 AIMExpo. All the information is available on my website. There's a coupon code, gets you in. Iron Pony's hosting the meet and greet, which is a huge dealership out there, where we're going to sit around for an hour or so, connecting with all you guys, and then go for a little motorcycle ride down to AIMExpo. And then after AIMExpo, we're going to have a little after party. That'll be fun, man. I am excited to see all you guys. On my website, I'll tell you who else is going. Right now, I believe we got Fooligan, Cat Cam, Shade Tree Surgeon, Blockhead, RBK, and I'm adding people to the list every couple days. So I hope to see everybody there. It's going to be a fun time. Columbus, Ohio, AIMExpo, here we come. The only small update I have for you, a couple weeks ago, Johnny and I did a short movie with our buddy Armando, who's working with Nikon for some sort of a challenge. The short film they put together was amazing. Johnny and I are out ripping around. I'm riding the Triumph, he's riding his FC09. Some close calls, but the short came out great, man. Link in the description of the video there. Go check it out, man. It's cool. I'm really proud of being a part of that project. Armando, if you're watching this, thanks for the opportunity, buddy. So Del Taco stopped selling their triple meat epic burrito. That was on the menu for a long time. I thought it would stay. Nope. For those of you guys that never got one, you missed out, son. For those of you that know what I'm talking about, you feel my pain. Turn left. Lefting. Oh, perfect. I love it when a plan comes together. Move, Prius. How are we doing on time? I think we're gonna be okay. Come on, light. There we go. Diamond Bar Boulevard. We gotta be close. Alright, now it's time to make a U-turn. Come on, GPS, get your shit together. Blue Samurai, where are you? GPS is playing tricks on me.
Really?
I just don't see it.
Can't read any of the signs. Yeah, it's like right here, maybe on the other side, yeah.
All right, let's try it. You know where Blue Samurai Noodle House is?
Sorry, no English.
Blue Samurai?
This place.
No English.
Oh, it's right there. That's stupid. All right, Johnny, be good. What's your plan of attack?
I'm gonna sip some broth first, kind of build up an instant like tolerance to the heat, and then just send it.
Johnny, you gotta sign your life away?
Yeah.
What do you think?
It's spicy, but
Manageable?
it's a lot of food.
How do you feel, Johnny?
Great.
You sweating?
You can throw up.
How are you feeling?
Full. I can't feel my mouth. My lips are on fire.
They're only a little red.
I don't know.
You got this.
You didn't really throw up, yeah.
So what happened, Johnny?
It's too much food.
Wasn't the spice?
I could handle the spice, but I'm just so full right now.
Would you say that you ate half?
Maybe.
Was the beef good?
It was really good. Yeah, the flavor was really good.
Johnny, Blue Samurai Noodle Challenge. How'd you do?
Not good.
You didn't get the photo on the wall.
Nope.
I was trying to get your photo. I was going to place it right next to your girl, Raina. You went in guns blazing, man. You had this. What happened?
I got got full, man. It's a lot of food.
So it wasn't the spice that did you in. It was the quantity, the volume, as you say. If you could pick any food challenge at all, what would it be?
Spicy wings.
You want a wing challenge?
A wing challenge.
I'm going to make that happen for you.
Okay.
It might be our very next video. Dude, I need to see you win.
Yeah.
Right now, you know, you're coming off the first one with a big L. Better luck next time, Johnny boy. People in that restaurant are super cool. You guys are down for a challenge, go for it. I'm super bummed Johnny didn't complete that challenge. It was a lot of food though, a lot more than I expected. I thought the challenge was only about a pound of ramen. Nope, that was a big bowl of ramen. So we'll give him a pass, dude. We'll give him a pass. I might get him again though. Stop. That was good. And with that, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't yet, subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell so wherever when I do upload a video, be part of that notification squad. Huge shout out to all the patrons of the channel. I know who you are. I love each and every one of you. You guys keep me motivated. Thank you. If you aren't aware yet, I do have a second channel. It's all dirt bikes over there. We have a good time. You probably recognize some of the people on this channel and that channel. We're all friends over here. Make sure you support the channel sponsors: Chaparral Moto, law offices of Henry Haddad, LUIMOTO, Voss Helmets. Those companies have been with me for a long time. It's important to support the companies to support the channel. With that, I'll catch you guys next time. Later. How you feeling, Johnny boy?
I think I'm gonna be okay.
You gonna make it?
I think so.
My man.